Hi, this is Jeff with the IT department. I'm here to talk to you today about document cameras used for Zoom sessions. So let's go ahead and get started. The document camera is a USB-based camera, which means you'll be able to plug it into any computer device and it'll instantly pick up the driver so you can immediately start using it. You can download the manual or software directly from this site. It's listed on the base of the camera. And you can see the controls for the camera on the top lens. As you can see here, I have it attached to my MacBook through just a simple USB connection, and it automatically powers on. Again, you can manually move the camera wherever you need it to adjust for if you're writing something out or if you're showing somebody a picture or something. From your EOU portal, you can just simply launch Zoom once you have the camera connected to your computer via USB and launch your meeting. Now, once you get into Zoom, right now it's defaulting to this camera. You can choose different cameras, but you want to make sure you select which one you're moving back and forth from. So I'm going to select the document camera for now. And as you can see, I can adjust it. I can turn on information. You can move it however. So as you can see, it'll adjust focus and frame. This document camera also has a microphone, so you can use it for both your webcam and your microphone if you wish. And if you have any questions, please refer to our academic technology page online or our knowledge base article. You can email us at helpdesk@eou.edu, or you can give us a call Monday through Friday from 8 to 5 at 541-962-3111. Thanks for watching.